Hi, I am Gunilla. Welcome to RPT Relaxed Playing Technique. This is part 5 in gripping staccato, which is a fantastic exercise to achieve relaxation in playing the piano. Now I will show you the gripping staccato exercise involving 3 fingers and play a variation of the musical pattern as I showed in the previous episodes, where I start around the A flats and go out to the Ds. You use the same technique as I showed before, and we start with finger number 2, 3 and 4. You put your second fingers on A sharp in the big octave and G flat in the second octave. Begin very slowly. Do one note at a time and concentrate first and feel the keys. Imagine how to make the gripping move and then do it. Immediate relaxation and reflect about how it felt. Gripping staccato with a quick reaction, with the smallest amount of energy, followed by immediate relaxation. After a while, when you know the musical pattern and can do the moves easily and reflect immediately, you increase the speed. Now you can start to combine 3 fingers randomly in this exercise. And in the next episode I will show an example combining finger number 1, 3 and 5. Follow the journey with me and you will improve your playing technique profoundly, because relaxation is basic. And make it easier by clicking to subscribe. Relax and be free.